sparse inequality. Take note. For any two vectors, x and y, for any two vectors x and y, in an inner product space B, inner product space B, comma, the modulus of inner product of x comma y is less than or equal to norm x into norm y. So this is called as Cauchy's inequality. Okay, the other name for this one will be Cauchy's inequality also. Both are same. So what is that one? Modulus of inner product of x comma y will be less than or equal to norm x into norm y. So second one, triangle inequality. Have you heard of this? Second one, triangle inequality. So write down, norm of x plus y is less than or equal to norm x plus norm y. Norm of x plus y is less than or equal to norm x plus norm y. Next one, parallelogram law. Already we have discussed in yesterday 2 days now. That the same thing you are going to discuss with norm, it's a distance. So take down, norm of x plus y the whole square plus norm of x minus y the whole square is equal to 2 times of norm of x square plus norm of y square. This is called as the parallelogram law. Already we have discussed this law in some other areas also. Here we are discussing it for norm. So this is also simple, but you already know how to find the inner product. You also know how to find the norms. So how the problems will be is that you are given a set of vectors and you are asked to verify any one of these inequalities. Okay, verify means what we will do? How will you verify? Find LHS separately and RHS separately and check whether these conditions are satisfied or not. That will be the type of problems under this inequalities. Okay, you will given vectors and verify whether this is going to be really satisfied or not. Okay, so take out problem. Let B is equal to CQ. B equal to CQ. What is CQ? Complex system of what order tables? Triple order, T order tables. Now we write x, y, z. No, instead of x, y, z is going to be a complex system. Complex tables. Okay. Let B equal to CQ with inner product x comma y equal to, what is the inner product of complex system? A1 B1 bar plus A2 B2 bar plus A3 B3 bar, because it is a triple order where x is equal to 2 comma 1 plus I comma I, y equal to 2 minus I 2 1 plus 2I, x is 2 1 plus I, y is 2 minus I 2 1 plus 2I. Verify Cauchy's inequality. Verify Cauchy's inequality and triangle inequality. Cauchy's inequality and triangle inequality. Cauchy's inequality and triangle inequality. Okay, good. So what is the thing you have to prove now? This is clear now. What do you have to prove? Cauchy's inequality as well as the triangle inequality. What is the triangle inequality? Norm of x plus y is less than or equal to norm x plus Write the given x and y. 2, 1 plus I, I. Girls, what do you want to do? No pain. Y is equal to 2 minus I, 2, 1 plus 2, 1. Find what is x plus y. Tell me what is x plus y. 4 minus. Add the corresponding terms. Let's add. What is the next one? 8 plus 5. What is the last one? 1 plus 8. Now this is our x plus 1. For this you have to find what is norm of x plus 1. How do you find it now? Yes? Norm Okay, if it is real number means what will happen, ma? If it is real number means what will happen? Suppose say 1, 1, 2. How do you write this one? Square of each. 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. If it is a real system. The same logic here. Okay, you have to square the real coefficient plus the square of the imaginary coefficient. That is the difference. Okay, expanded, what you will get? What you will get? 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. What is the answer? 4. So what is norm of y? Square root of 4. So norm of y is equal to square root of 4. So now we got all the three equations. Check your triangle inequality first. What is the triangle inequality? Norm of x plus y should be less than or equal to norm x plus norm y. Okay, what is norm of x plus y? Square root of 37. What is square root of 37? Approximately 6 point some values. Okay, if you don't know this, make use of the calculator. Okay, 6 point some values. Find what is norm x plus norm y. Root 7 plus square root of 14. Find what is this answer?
4.8.
How much more?
4.8.
4 point. Adding both one. What is square root of 37? 6.1. No. That is satisfying or not satisfying?
Not satisfying. 6.387.
What is the triangle inequality?
Norm of x plus y.
Any group that is given.
Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to.
What is norm of x plus y? 6.6. This should be less than or equal to 4.1. Is that so? 6 is less than or equal to 4.
7 plus 1 7 plus 14.
This is satisfying.
6.38. 6.38.
6.8. What is this answer? That is what I'm asking you, how it is being satisfied. Someone said 4.2. So only I'm asking how it is not getting satisfied. Now it is satisfied. Can I identify or not? Norm of x plus y is less than or equal to norm x plus norm y. So right? Since norm of x plus y is less than or equal to norm x plus norm y. Norm x plus norm y. Cauchy's triangle inequality is verified. Triangle inequality is verified. Triangle inequality is verified. So what is the next one you have verified now? Cauchy's. What is the Cauchy's inequality?
Modulus of x.
Modulus of inner product of x comma y is less than or equal to norm x into norm y. Already you know what is norm x and norm y. Now find the inner product of x comma y. Okay, find inner product of x comma y. Right, next one. Inner product of x comma y is equal to. How do you find out? A1, B1 bar. Okay, already it is given in the question itself. How do I define inner product of x comma y? A1, B1 bar plus A2, B2 bar, etc. So A1, A2, A3 is for x. B1, B2, B3 is for y. What is the first element in x? 2. What is the first element in y? 2 minus I. So it will become 2 minus I the whole power. Plus Now what is the second element? 1 plus I. What is the second element in y? 2. So it will become 2 bar. What is the third element in x? I. Third element in y? 1 plus 2y. So it will become the whole bar. In this step, we directly wrote it as modulus because both is of the same numbers. So when we make use of the formula a square minus b square, and we wrote it directly. But here, both are different numbers. So you have to go only by this procedure. Okay, and modulus echo direct போறோம்னா ரெண்டுமே ஒரே வெக்டரா இருந்தா மட்டுமே தான் modulus direct போக முடியும். Okay, both are different means you have to go only by the definition. Okay, find this answer. Yes. Should I do it or should I write direct answer now? What is the conjugate of 2 minus I?
2 plus I.
2 plus I. 1 plus I into what is conjugate of 2 bar? 2 because this is a real number. I into what is conjugate of 1 plus 2i? 1 minus 2. You have to simplify this. What is the answer? 8 plus 5. This is our inner product of x comma 1. But to prove our Cauchy's inequality, what is the reference type of? Not norm. Cauchy's inequality reference type? Modulus. Did I give you norm? Modulus. Modulus of the inner product of x comma y. So what is modulus of inner product of x comma y? Modulus means what is the meaning? Square root of the square of the real part plus the square of the imaginary part. So square root of 8 square plus 5 square. 8 square plus 5 square. Find the answer in the calculator.
89.
80.
Right.
Approximate decimal value now you should know whether it is less than or not. 9.43 amount. This is our left hand side. What is the right hand side? Norm x into norm y. Multiplication. Find what is norm x into norm y. 9.8. So norm x is square root of 7 and norm y is square root of 14. So norm 7, so root 7 into root 14. Find what is the answer? 9.8. Now check whether Cauchy's inequality is satisfied or not. What is the Cauchy's inequality? Modulus of the inner product of x comma y should be less than or equal to norm x into norm y. Where is less than or norm? Yes, when you see both the subdivisions, there is variation only in the decimal place. Okay, integers both are getting same, so do the approximations correctly when you are solving the other problems. Okay, so that since modulus of the inner product of x comma y is less than or equal to norm x into norm y, norm x into norm y, Cauchy's inequality is verified. Cauchy's inequality is verified. So this is the type of problems possible now. Have you understood how to find the norm and inner product? Any doubt? Because the entire unit is going to deal only with these two terms only. Any confusions? When you will go for the formula of modulus symbol directly, if you are going to find the inner product for the same terms, then you go for modulus formula directly. If it is for different terms, definition. You have to make use of the given definition in the problem and you have to solve it. Okay? Proving any of the inequalities for a given vectors. Okay? One more problem. Take down. Let general notation norm of d of x comma y is equal to norm of x minus y. d of x comma y equal to norm of x minus y, comma call the distance between x and y. Call CALL, call the distance between x and y. Prove that d of x comma y is greater than or equal to 0. d of x comma y is greater than or equal to 0 and d of x comma y is less than or equal to d of xz plus d of zy. d of xz plus d of zy. So here is a slight different problem. Based on the given definition, you have to prove this two cases. So how we are defining d of x comma y? How it is defined? Norm of x minus y. What is the first one you have to prove? What is the first one you have to prove? d of x comma y is greater than or equal to 0. How do you prove it? How can you prove it? X minus y. What is d given to me, ma'am? What is d given to me? See the statement, d is only the distance. Where the distance can be a negative value? Where the distance can be a negative value? Since the distance is always positive, d of x comma y is also always positive. No other expressions needed. Okay, because they are given d as the distance. Distance can never be a negative value. Distance is always positive. Therefore, d of x comma y is also greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so right. Start the solution. Distance is always positive. Distance is always positive. Therefore, d of x comma y, which is equal to norm of x minus y, d of x comma y, which is equal to norm of x minus y, is greater than or equal to 0. Why we are telling it directly is that because in the question they are given clearly that d is the distance. So it is they say this result directly, no need for any proof. What is the next one you have to prove? d of x comma y is less than or equal to d of xz plus d of ez. Let us start from our LHS. So start from LHS. d of xy equal to, what is the definition? Norm of x minus y. But what you are supposed to prove? Let us split them into two terms. Xz, ez. So you have to break z in this one. So what we can do? Where x minus y in another variable, but I z in ஒரு variable கொண்டு வரணும். என்ன right side z ங்கிற ஒரு variable இருக்கு நான் புட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஆனா z கொண்டு வரணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? இல்ல, ஆனா புதுசா கொண்டு வரணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? Yes? Adding and subtracting. எது தேவையோ அது ஒரிஜினல் இதை அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணாம நம்ம கொண்டு வரணும்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? Add and subtract. Tell me how you are going to do this one. Others should be in silence. Next one. Table here. So what is the procedure to print a new variable? Adding and subtracting. So that the original term will not get affected. Okay. So this is equal to norm of x minus z plus z minus 1. Adding and subtracting z. Why I am putting minus z plus and first and plus z as second? Plus z minus z நம்ம என்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுமோ அது கேட்க வருது. What is the thing you have to prove? x z plus z. Okay, what is the right hand side you are supposed to prove? x z plus z. How will connect it? I will write composed it. This is same as norm of x minus z plus norm of z minus 1. Same or no? How will connect this two? To connect this one, we take the help of the inequalities which I gave you. I gave you 3 inequalities, no? Check it and tell me which one you can apply here. I gave you 3 inequalities. Triangle inequality. What is the triangle inequality? Norm of x plus y is less than or equal to norm x plus norm y. Here we are going to consider x as x minus z and y as z minus 1. Okay, just simple. Just using inequality, you can use the proof there. Okay, so right, by triangle inequality, d of x comma y is less than or equal to norm of x minus z plus norm of z minus 1. Norm of x minus z plus norm of z minus 1, which is less than or equal to d of x z plus d of z y. Hence the proof. Hence the proof. Any doubts, ma'am? Any doubts? Is it clear for everyone? Yes? Shall I continue? We have discussed what is the inner product and what is the norm and some inequalities based on that one. Everywhere we discuss it only for the vector. Okay, the next one we are going to define is called for the matrices. We are going to define the inner product for the matrices, that is called as the Frobenious inner product. A follow BE and 9 units. Frobenious inner product. This inner product will be defined for the matrices. So Frobenious means it indicates our matrix. Okay, matrix ஓட ஒரு inner product நம்ம define பண்ண போறோம். அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? Frobenious inner product க்கு define பண்ணோம். Okay, you need a break. Yes. Take our next topic. We are going to define the inner product for the matrices. It is called as the Frobenious inner product. Take our next topic. Frobenious inner product. Frobenious inner product. So take our definition. Let A belongs to M by N of F. So what is the meaning of this notation, ma'am? Set of all matrices with M rows and N columns. What F indicates for? All the elements will be from the field. It may be real number or it may be complex number. F is a general one, it is a field. The field can be anything. Okay, continue. First row. The conjugate transpose. The conjugate transpose or adjoint of A to be the n by m matrix, to be the n by m matrix A star, to be the n by m matrix A star such that A star of ij equal to Aj the whole one. Aj the whole one for all I comma j. For all I comma j. That is A star is equal to A bar the whole transpose. A star is equal to A bar the whole transpose. So first you should know what is A star. Now based on what currently we are going to discuss our inner product. So how you define A star? What is A star? A bar the whole transpose. What is the meaning of A bar? A star is equal to, tell me what happened. A star will be A transpose. Because for real integers, what will be the conjugate? The same numbers. For real integers, what is the conjugate? Same numbers. So for real one, A bar will be equal to A S. So A star will be equal to A transpose. So the first one is in the case of the complex tools. The second one is in the case of the real system. Okay, so what is A star for complex system? A bar the whole transpose. For real integers, A star is equal to A transpose. Okay, now take the next definition. Next definition. Let V is equal to M by N of F. Our vector space is a matrix representation. Let V equal to M cross N of F. P a vector space. D a vector space. Then the Frobenious inner product. Then the Frobenious inner product. A follow B N N is. Frobenious inner product is defined by inner product of A comma B is equal to trace of B star A. Trace of B star A. Okay, what is trace now? Trace of a matrix. We discussed it in first semester. I'll tell you, but you know that is the name of that. Trace is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements. So trace of the matrix is nothing but the sum of the diagonal elements. If you don't know this, note it down. What is trace of a matrix? Sum of the diagonal elements. Okay, so what is inner product of A comma B? Trace of B star into A. So how will you solve the problem? You will be given what is A and what is A. Okay, A will remain the same. But for B, what you have to find? B star. What is B star? A may be B bar the whole transpose, or it may be simply A transpose. So according to the space where it is defined. Then you have to find the matrix product of A. Okay, for that matrix product answer, you have to find what is the trace. Okay, B star A is nothing but our matrix multiplication. You have to find that answer. For that matrix only, you have to find what is the trace. Is it clear now? Yes. So write next one. Next one. The same statement now. If V equal to M by N of F. Full stop. Then the entries of A and B. Then the entries of A and B. Then the entries of A and B are real. Then the same statement. The Frobenious inner product. Then the Frobenious inner product is defined by inner product of A comma B is equal to trace of. Can I tell you what happened now? What will the change? B transpose B. Because for the real entry, what is B star? We have taken our previous definition. B star is nothing but B transpose. So for real entry means inner product will be trace of B transpose A. If it is going to be a complex means it will be trace of B star B. That B star will be equal to B bar the whole transpose. Okay, can you remember this definition now? Yes. So how we define the inner product for complex system? Inner product of A comma B equal to trace of B star B. For real system, inner product will be equal to AB the whole star will be equal to B star A star. AB the whole star will be equal to B star A star. And A star the whole star will be equal to A. A star the whole star will be equal to, if needed in completeness, we can take the help of the scissors. So can you recall all the definitions now? Shall we start the problem? First one, let B is equal to, let B equal to M 2 by 2 of F. M 2 by 2 of F. 2 by 2 means what is the meaning? 2 rows and 2 columns. B, the vector space of F. B, the vector space of F, where F is or C. F is or C. What is or? Real system. Or C. What is C? Complex. So the elements will be both a real number as well as a complex number. Okay. Using Frobenious inner product. Using Frobenious inner product. Compute inner product of A comma B. Norm of A, norm of B, norm of A, norm of B. So all these three things you have to find. Where A is given to be 1, 2 plus I, 3 I. B equal to 1 plus I, 0 I minus I. So tell me, have you understood the question? Same concept only. Instead of vectors, what are the elements given here? Matrices. For this also, you are going to find what is the inner product and what is the norm. Okay, but for matrices, how do you define the inner product of AB? Just now we discussed. conjugate of 3? 3. What is conjugate of 5? Minus. The whole transpose. Transpose means what you have to do? Write the rows into columns or columns into rows. Anyway. So what is the answer you will get? 1, 2 minus I, 3 minus I. First was first column, second was second column. This is our A star. Okay. What is the next one you need? B star. Find B star. B star will be equal to B bar the whole transpose. Okay. Find B bar. What is conjugate of 1 plus I? 1 minus. Conjugate of 0? Conjugate of 5? Conjugate of minus I? Plus the whole transpose. Interchange rows and columns. 1 minus I, 0, minus I, 5. This is our B star. Understood? So now what is the first one we have to find? Inner product of A. To find the inner product, first you should know what is B star B. Okay, so you multiply B star with your A matrix. Do the matrix multiplication. B star A. So B star is 1 minus I, 0, 1. Into the A matrix is 1, 2 plus I, 3, 5. I hope everyone knows matrix multiplication, right? How do you do the multiplication? First row into first column. That is the first element. First row into second column. You have to do the matrix multiplication. So your answer will be 1 minus 4i, 4 minus I, 3i minus 1. This will be your answer. 1 minus 4i, 4 minus I, 3i minus 1. After matrix multiplication. Now find the inner product of A comma B. What is inner product of A comma B? Trace of B star B. What is trace? Sum of the guided elements. What are the guided elements here? 1 minus 4i and minus 1. Add 1 minus 4i minus 1. What is your answer? That is the inner product of A comma B. Similarly, what are the other things you have to find? Norm of A square and norm of A and norm of B. Any doubts so far? Any doubt? Easy than vector? Or vector representation is easy? In the here what step you should be very careful. Matrix multiplication. Other things also you will do, but matrix multiplication you should be very careful. Right, next one. Right, next one. Norm of A square is equal to inner product of A comma B. Norm of A square equal to inner product of A comma B. But what is inner product of A comma A? Trace of A star B. So now we have to find what is A star into A. product of B comma B. Inner product of B comma B. What is the definition? Raise of B star B. Already got what is B star, multiply it with B and take the matrices. So B star B will be equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1 1. This is your B star B answer. 2 minus 1 minus 1 1. So what are the diagonal elements, ma? 2 and 1. So trace means 2 plus 1. That will give you 3. This is norm of B square. So what is norm of B? Square root of 3. Okay, easy or difficult, ma? Easy than a matrix or not, you can do it easily. If it is a real system, it will be very easy. Real system is what will happen? B star will be B transpose. Real system is B star will be nothing but B transpose itself. What is from B conjugate? Take our next one. Next one. Consider the inner product space. Consider the inner product space M 2 by 2 of R. 2 by 2 not 2 by 3. M 2 by 3 of R. Using Frobenious inner product. Using Frobenious inner product. Compute inner product of A comma B. Inner product of A comma B. Norm of A. Norm of B. Norm of A. Norm of B. What is the matrix given here, ma? 2 by 2. What is the meaning? 2 rows and 3 columns. M 2 by 3 of R is given. What is R? Real. So all the elements in the matrix will be a real numbers. Note down your matrix A. Matrix A equal to first row 9 8 7. First row 9 8 7. Second row 6 5 4. Okay. Now matrix B. First row 1 2 3. Second row 4 5 6. Okay, was simple like the previous problem only, but B star will be directly what? A transpose. A star will be directly A transpose. No conjugate at all. Okay, so I want you to complete